6 things I do to make me low maintenance. I do my own nails. I trim them, I shape them, and I paint them in the most prettiest aesthetic colors that someone can ever find. And to be honest, I am very skeptical to my nails done by someone else because I feel like no one will understand my nail shape better than me. And moreover, I have seen so many videos where people are spending a lot of money but still getting the worst nails. I deep clean my scalp every once in a week. Like dandruff doesn't get a chance to do a peekaboo in my daily life routines. Let me tell you one thing. You can spray the most expensive perfume on your head, but if your scalp is not clean, people can still smell your body from that. That's why hygiene is so much important. Most people around me are taller than me, so the first thing they notice about me is the smell from my hair or scalp. So hygiene, actually, I do my skincare as if my life depends on it. I do it every day because consistency actually shows. Therefore, I cleanse my energy once in a week because I get a lot of evil eyes, to be honest. So it's one of the part of daily routine, I mean weekly routines, to cleanse my energy. People usually think that people are going to only notice my face and my hair and that's it, but feet, your shoe, because the people who notices small things actually observe these things. Because you know what, anyone can pull off a great outfit just getting out from Pinterest or from any celebrities. They can copy that or someone around them or any celebrities home, but small things actually matter a lot. And if your shoes are clean or not. And let me tell you one thing, used to put nail polish, okay, but I didn't used to do my nails even though I knew how to do them. When I started doing it, suddenly every girl around me, every girl in my class literally came up to me and speak up to me that, wow, your nails are looking so good. There's one time when I was giving my exam, one teacher literally came up to me to see painted them in a really nice color, and she was literally in awe. Like she was literally standing there for 5 minutes looking at my nails, and I was like kidding, please, I'm giving an exam. You can't just stare at me. Why? Don't do that to me. I feel very awkward about it. So she was constant at my nails. That matter a lot. And you do these small things like taking care of your hand, keeping them moisturized, and painting your nails properly. And if you are not, please trim them properly. I have seen a lot of boys having so big nails which looks so shabby, it looks too dirty. And see boys like that too dirty, and see boys like that, bro. Number 5, the last one, I romanticize my everyday life. Like I journal and I write what I did that day. I write about how my day went, or uh, whether I will to some new place or a new restaurant, or I tried something new, maybe a food, maybe a dress, maybe a new makeup style. I always do write in my journal. I write a lot, checklists if I did something. Like it helps me to remember that what I did today or what I did in a month or what I did in a year, because at the end of a month or a year we feel like, oh, I didn't do anything. But if you track down everything, you'll see you did a lot in that year. We eventually forgot because of the daily lives, but if you track, remember a lot. So you actually remember a lot. So bye.